Did you know that predicting tornadoes is a far more challenging task for meteorologists than forecasting hurricanes? Yes, you heard it right. Hurricanes are massive, covering hundreds of miles, and can be tracked for days, even weeks. But tornadoes? They're unpredictable, often appearing without warning and lasting mere minutes, making them a meteorologist's nightmare. Now let's turn the page to a fascinating tale of survival against the odds. Picture this: Matt Suter from Missouri, who holds an astounding record. On the 12th of March 2005, a tornado lifted him from the ground and dropped him just short of a quarter-mile away. That's roughly 398 meters. And the most amazing part? He lived to tell the tale. So next time you hear a tornado warning, remember Matt's story and take shelter immediately. Stay safe.